What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily update on Ethereum. Even though I'm not doing them daily anymore, but I think I covered Ethereum the last 3 days. Overall, if you don't know me, well, first of all, welcome. But what I usually do is I cover like Ethereum, and then the next day I cover Bitcoin, and then kind of every other day. So yeah, this will be an update on Ethereum. Yesterday obviously was quite a bullish update. We had a nice bullish breakout, but unfortunately we didn't manage to hold our support levels. So you can see right here, we'll dive right into that recap in a moment. But overall, let's check out some Ethereum statistics. Volume has dropped down, which yeah, it's actually getting pretty low right now. It's 8.5 billion. That's pretty low, but it's the main thing is that, well, the market is kind of stabilizing a little bit, at least I feel like, and not a lot is happening. Volume was a little bit higher because we had some news from the monetary policy of the US, obviously, following after a lower than expected inflation rate and a dropping dollar index that has also been stable. So yeah, so then the volatility, and with that the volume just decreases. That is what's happening right now. If we then take a look at the technicals of Ethereum, though, what I said yesterday is that if we were able to stay on top of like 1195, that we could actually get some sort of a beginning of an uptrend up to 1300. But only if we could hold that. Otherwise, we would probably drop down to 1175 in this level between, well, ultimately 1165 and 1175. And then from there, consolidate and at some point break above 1195 again and start trending up towards 1250. I still think this is the most likely scenario, all right? I think overall this aligns very well with both the technicals and the fundamentals. I think the fundamentals, like the bearish fundamentals, were and are they're mostly crypto related, and the bullish fundamentals are really economically related. The economic fundamentals, I think, are going to keep improving, even though, you know, it might struggle a little bit. Obviously, at some points it will probably, like the dollar index will probably still grow, and Ethereum and Bitcoin will have tough times. But the market specific, the crypto related fundamentals, I think will, well, they can only get better. Obviously, there are right now still some companies with problems like Genesis, but at some point everything is over and the fall is done. Like FTX is done, and we'll still hear news about it, but it will not actively influence crypto anymore. I'm not saying we're at that point right now, but I do think we are getting there. So purely technically, we have. I mean, there is a very small chance. I think it's a small chance, but it's a chance. Like right now, our main support level is 1175, 1165. If that breaks, which I do not expect, so if that happens, I was wrong, but you should know what happens if it breaks. If that breaks, we'll drop down to 1150, take a break retest, and drop back down to 1075 and maybe even 1000. All right, so that's still a possibility, but I think just zooming into those economic fundamentals, that it's more likely that we will hold that level, and then at some point, maybe at the end of the weekend, maybe beginning next week, that will break above 1200 and start some sort of an uptrend, at least up to 1250. So I don't think we'll be that bullish yet, but I do think we can see some recovery. So that's my take on Ethereum this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.